How to have a conversation in Gaelic, even when you don't feel like speaking much. This is a piece of gossip. We will show you how to interact with the person telling gossip without being dragged into further discussion. In this technique, we will just work with the verbs. Here is the piece of gossip. Chunnig mi joffiger een polish ag taí eine reur. Hier ik down for 3 uren. Chula mi gur op en Iain misk. Vrishische hollerutse kitchen. Charo Iain tollichtjelische nitcher. She ben garig a hientje. Galf na hoffiker en polish leis na bachteluske behe. Vat de garig gun Gobaireachd. You need to show some kind of engagement and interest in what is being said. And you can do this solely by using the verb. Of course, this means that first of all, you need to identify the verb. Secondly, if you need to respond in a positive or negative question form of that same verb. Here is an example of the first line. Chunnig mi joffiger een polish ag taí eine reur. Well, where is the verb? It's the first thing you hear in a sentence. Chunnig. And it's a positive statement. So your counter question would be, fachke? And they will respond to reaffirm what they said. Chunnig. Just like in English. Oh, I saw. Did you? Oh, hi, I did. Try the next line. Giri gaat down for 3 uren. En du girig? Girig. Chule mi gur op en Iain misk. Een koele. Or you could also have said a ro, depending what you wanted to ask, whether did she hear it or whether the wife was drunk. In the next line, Vrishische hollerutse kitchen. En du vrish. Vrish. The next one is a negative statement. Charo Iain tollichtjelische nitcher. So your counter question will be negative as well. Nachro. Charo. Then back to positive statements. She ben garig a hientje. En ye. Oh, she. Did you know in Gaelic they double up the yes and no answers as well? Not all the time, but it's nice if you do now and then. Galf na hoffiker een polish leis na bachteluske behe. En do galf. Galf. Vat de garig kin Gobaireachd. Ro. Va. And that's how you have a wee bit of a conversation with minimal input from yourself. Now you can give it a try. Write out a small piece of gossip and practice.